Good evening, traders. Welcome back to Unstockable Trading. In this video, I want to give you my outlook onto tomorrow and what will happen on Thursday and Friday. So, ironically, we tried to pass this 2560 resistance mark and we failed. And now we are in 2549. We are still inside this line right here, which I think tomorrow we're going to retake it and retest the highs. So in the Discord group, I said 2550 was a very strong shorting zone. So what I have here, at closing, we closed below 2550. So the trade talks, I think, ends tomorrow, and then we have our Trump speaking sometimes tonight, and more news on it tomorrow. So in the short term, I think we are going to retest 2575. And then eventually try to go to 2600. With this being said, we have Thursday and Friday of our FOMC chairman. I think he's speaking around 12:45 p.m. Eastern on Thursday. So it could be a run up until that day, and then we have some sell side activity coming in. I just want you to know the next one we have is 2560 and then 2600. But in between, we might end up in 2575 just to be safe for a lock profit point. There are two stocks I want to mention. First of all is Netflix. Let me turn your attention into the year-to-date. I want to show you why I think Netflix is not a buy and a short soon. So as you can see, just about at the low, it was up 12% year to date, and then we have like almost a week green, and then what is it now? We up about 50% year to date. And remember, there's an earning coming up on the 17th of January, so is this a pump and dump? Ask yourself this. What's making Netflix going up so high? Are they increasing their subscriptions? Or just because of the rumors of the movie Bird Box, which I didn't even want to watch. So, just saying, because this is a bullish movement to the upside. And every time we had this kind of movements, we might have a retrace to the downside 50% of the time. And people ask me, why is that? This is just how stock market works. If you look at every large cap stocks, when we have a huge spike to the upside, we always come down 50% retracement mark. And it's just a matter of time when they gonna hit. So Fibonacci levels also tells you that. If you want to look at SPY, from the high of this much, and then we went down, and then we try to come back to the 50% of the mark. So one time we touched 50 and then 50, and now we all the way down, and now we're coming back to almost the 50% of the point. So that's what I'm saying. We might reach 260 because that is the 50% of the point of how much we came down, and then we might form a W shape before we go back up. So as you can see, the W shape is already forming. We just need more confirmation to 260. 257 and then 260, and then we come back down, and then we go back up. So Netflix is something that I would love to short when we hit the 20 days, 200 days moving average, and I need to see a reverse signal of when we come down. I'm pretty sure there will be a lot of sell side activity before the earnings and even after the earnings. Because why is Netflix up so much? 50% of the year to date. Well, are they the new television shows now, Netflix? So that's something that I'll look into. And the next one I want to talk about is Amazon. Same thing with Amazon. Amazon moved about 200 points in the last a week and a half. So if we look closer, we are just right here, literally closing at this trend line right here. Let me make this into price action. So as you can see, Amazon's at 1630, literally right on the line I drew, I'll say back in early December. So what's most likely gonna happen is this is a shorting area. As you can see, we retrace back almost completely the beginning of December. So what's the next target y'all looking at? 1700? No, I'll be looking at 1640. Somewhere right here. So 1640, 1660, we might even go to 1675, but I don't think it will hit 1700 anytime sooner because this type of movement is going to tank. By how much, I don't know. Amazon's very strong. So I'll just be very careful of getting into Amazon put or Amazon call because it could go up to the 200 days moving average, 1700, and past that, but I doubt it. So most likely I'm gonna short this down when it comes to 1665, somewhere around there. For SPY, I want to tell you guys, we are in this 0.382 area, and most likely it's gonna pass that and test the 50% tracing right here at the 260-ish. So that's my outlook on SPY. Good luck trading, and I'll see you in the next video.